There are millions of people who are living every day in pain. There are millions of people who are suffering in vain. But there's relief, but there is hope. There are so many ways how to cope with pain. Don't suffer in silence, stand up and fight.
The World Society of Pain Clinicians, in cooperation with the Italian chapter of the Society, introduce you to the 12th International Pain Clinic. WSPC is proud to acknowledge the sponsors: ANS, Boston Scientific, Grünenthal, Helsing, Karl Storz, Pfizer, Smith and Nephew, and all the people that made possible with their efforts the realization of this scientific event. Among these, I want to thank LICD, Lega Italiana contro il Dolore, Italian League Against Pain, that is a young association of pain patients that is holding an important symposium inside the WSPC Congress.
Dear colleagues and friends, 2 years after Tokyo, we are again together here in the city of Turin, Torino for us, for the 12th WSPC meeting. Over the years, this important appointment have become a reference event for those interested in the pain clinic. This is a wonderful place, a unique opportunity. People with different cultural background, religion, political view, famous physician and young one, talking and discussing freely and peacefully on the best way to help and cure their patients. Isn't it fantastic?
Dear friends and colleagues, welcome. I'd like to introduce myself.
The World Society of Pain Clinicians had objectives that are exclusively educational, scientific, and charitable. They include the following: to bring together clinicians with their common interest in the treatment of pain, to stimulate education, learning, and knowledge in the field of pain, to encourage the dissemination of information on pain throughout the world via meetings and through its journal, to organize the World Congress on Clinical Aspects of Pain every 2 years, to organize other meetings and formative initiatives that could be useful and desirable from the standpoint of advancing the Society's aims, to publicize their objectives of the WSPC amongst relevant governmental and health authorities and to the public administration in general, to encourage audit and scientific research on all aspects of pain, but especially regarding treatment and clinical aspects, to promote any other activities that may favor the aforementioned aims.
Dear friends and colleagues, welcome. I'd like to introduce myself. I'm Ahmed Helmi Abul Saud, Professor of Pain Relief, National Cancer Institute, Cairo University, Egypt. Also, I'm a board member in our society, the World Society of Pain Clinicians. I believe that specialty and subspecialty is the key for success, advance, and progress in life. And this should be applied also in medicine, and of course, in the field of pain management. I hope the best for us and for our society. And this can be achieved by good communication, cooperation, creating a directory, including most of the pain clinicians. Once more, I hope the best for us and for the World Society of Pain Clinicians. Thank you.
Good morning, buongiorno. This is Dick Atkinson from the UK. I'm a pain consultant in Sheffield in the north of England and looking forward to coming to Turin for the conference over the first week of July. I look forward to meeting many of you whilst I'm there at this meeting of the World Federation of Pain Clinicians. Thank you for inviting me on this occasion.
Good morning. On behalf of the World Society of Pain Clinicians, I want to thank you for attending the 12th International Pain Congress in beautiful Turin, Italy. I'm Lloyd Sabersky. I'm an internal medicine pain management specialist practicing in the greater New Haven area of Connecticut in the United States. For the lion's share of my career, I've worked for Yale University, and recently I was fortunate to be able to open up a private practice in the Yale New Haven area. We've been committed to research, publication, teaching, and the care of pain management patients for near 20 years in this community. And I am pleased to be able to present to the international community some of the research that we've performed on the East Coast of the United States. In part, we're going to explore epiduroscopy and its potentials. Epiduroscopy is a brand new field that opens up many new venues for pain management specialists, neurosurgeons, orthopedic surgeons. And I believe this will be a platform for the future. And I'm pleased to be able to share with you my vision of the future in epiduroscopy. Also, the other item that I'm going to present pertains to the evolving specialty of electrostimulation. There are so many new uses of using electrostimulation. You see, when you're dealing with chronic pain, you're not curing patients, you're trying to manage them. And to manage them safely in a safe life care plan is often very difficult. Electrostimulation often provides valuable opportunities to taking care of these patients. So, in any case, I say hello to everybody, my friends and colleagues from around the world, and I look forward to speaking to as many of you as I can during this short stay, this beautiful stay, and I just want you all to have a wonderful Congress. Thanks very much. Ciao.
Members of WSPC, honorable seniors, fellows, and all distinguished colleagues. It is a great honor of me to say hello to all of you. I'm Professor Sang-Chul Lee, next president of WSPC. WSPC has grown to be a big society after it was founded in 1984. And we are holding the 12th scientific meeting in this beautiful city, Turin. Now, WSPC has become one of the most reliable and excellent congregation in the field of pain medicine. We are sharing the mission of devoting our passions for patients suffering from pain. We have focused our every effort to relieve the agony of the patient who have chronic pain. As you know well, the primary goal of WSPC is the exchange of scientific information between members and education of members. I think the most important component in our society is you, the members of our society. Please participate, join in, and show interest for the progression of our society. In 2008, we are going to have a meeting in Seoul, Korea. We are going to make a most exciting and helpful meeting in Korea. Korea is one of the most beautiful countries in the world, and also we have a long history. I'm sure that visit to Korea will give you an unforgettable memory. Every one of you will be welcome. Thank you very much.